Are you breathing clean air inside your rented home, or just assuming you are? In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to detox your space without breaking your lease, damaging walls, or spending a fortune. Because health doesn't start in the gym, it starts in the air you breathe for 8 hours a night. This video is specifically for apartment renters, hostel or PG residents, people living in small, urban flats, anyone who cannot repaint walls, drill holes, or remodel. If permanent changes are impossible, portable solutions are powerful. Let's break this into 3 renter-friendly detox pillars. Indoor air can contain 2 to 5 times more pollutants than outdoor air, according to environmental studies. And renters often deal with old paint, cleaning chemical residue, mold-prone bathrooms, poor ventilation. Look for true HEPA filter, coverage matching your room size, e.g. 200 to 300 square feet for small bedrooms, CADR rating suitable for dust and smoke. Even a mid-range purifier can reduce airborne particles by up to 99%. Place it near your bed if bedroom-focused detox, near windows if you live near traffic. Bonus tip, run it for 30-60 minutes before sleep for noticeable air freshness. You can't change flooring, but you can change what touches it. Many conventional cleaners release harsh fumes. Instead, switch to fragrance-free multi-purpose cleaners, vinegar plus baking soda for kitchen surfaces, plant-based dish soap, alcohol-based natural surface disinfectants. Small switch, daily exposure reduction. That's the win. Carpets, curtains, bedding trap, more than you think. Detox strategy. Wash bed sheets weekly, sun-dry pillows if possible, vacuum mattress monthly, add a mattress protector. You spend 1/3 of your life in bed. Start there. If you want extra, open windows for 15 to 20 minutes daily, add 1-2 low-maintenance plants like snake plant, avoid synthetic room sprays, use beeswax or soy candles instead of paraffin. Remember, detox is about reducing load, not achieving perfection. You don't need ownership to create ownership-level health. You don't need renovation to experience transformation. A rented space can still be a healing space. Health is not about control over property. It's about control over choices. If you found this helpful, stay tuned. In the coming days on Daily Fitspark, we're diving into habit stacking for ADHD brains, pairing non-negotiable hygiene with dopamine-boosting activities. Because discipline isn't about forcing yourself. It's about designing your environment for success. And before you go, since you've watched till the end, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to Daily Fitspark. Your support helps this community grow healthier, one small habit at a time.